Why are we still debating the three-language policy when AI can instantly translate any Indian language? Did you know the government of India has launched Bhashini, an AI-powered platform that can translate any text and voice from one Indian language to another? The Indian AI market is projected to reach $8 billion by 2025, growing at a compounded annual growth rate of over 40%. How do we ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a few? That's what we are going to explore today. We are standing at the threshold of a revolution where change is happening exponentially. The only way to go forward today is continuous learning. We have to ensure when machines are growing smarter, humans don't grow dumber. AI is making it easier for startups and small businesses to thrive. With AI tools, now it's easy to reduce cost, predict trend, and scale operation. Even a small handicraft shop from Jaipur can sell its product globally. In fact, we are hearing a lot of success stories from remote corners of India because of technology. Take, for example, Dehati Madam. She is from rural village in Uttar Pradesh who runs a YouTube channel with over 3 lakh subscribers. What is AI in simple terms? Artificial intelligence is all about teaching computers to think and make decisions like human. It's about giving computers the ability to learn from data, recognize patterns, and solve problems. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a dog. You show them different pictures and they learn over a period of time. We are not here to compete with AI. We are here to use it as a powerful tool to boost our productivity. Now, you do use AI in your regular life. Your GPS app uses AI to find the fastest route by analyzing traffic patterns. Netflix uses AI to recommend shows you might like based on what you have watched before. Uber and Ola uses AI to match drivers with riders. For your online shopping, Amazon uses AI to suggest products you might like based on your browsing history. So why AI literacy matters to India? Here's how AI can directly impact the lives of Indians, whether they live in cities, villages, remote areas. Healthcare. Did you know India has only 7 doctors per 10,000 people? Far below the recommendation level. So, what are the solutions? Yes, tools like Niramai, which can detect disease early. AI powered apps can connect patients. I can predict disease outbreaks. Did you know, as per the latest ASER report 2024, over 50% of grade 5 students in government schools cannot read a grade 2 text. So, what can be the solution here? Personalized learning. Platforms like Khan Academy use AI to tailor lessons for students' pace. Language barriers will not be a problem using AI powered tools. The world class education can be brought to your remote areas using online platforms. Farmers face challenges like unpredictable weather, low yields, and lack of market access. So, how does AI help here? Apps like Croplan and Ninja Cart use AI to predict weather. AI can analyze soil health and recommend best crops. AI can minimize the use of fertilizers and pesticides, saving farmers money. AI is not just for developers, it's for you. So, whether you're a farmer in Punjab, a student in Bihar, or a business owner in Tamil Nadu, AI can transform your life. It can help you grow better crops, learn new skills, or reach audiences across the globe. But to truly harness the power of AI, we need to understand it. It is not just about keeping up with the technology, it is about building a future where everyone can thrive. So, how is AI influencing your life and your community? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.